Hi viewers, welcome back to Daddy Fever. 4 effective workouts to get back into shape after a long break. Number 1. Full body strength training, 2 to 3 days/week. Strength training helps rebuild muscle, boosts metabolism, and prevents injuries. It's essential for regaining fitness without overstraining your body. Workout routine. Bodyweight squats or goblet squats. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Push-ups, or incline push-ups. 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Dumbbell bent over rows, or resistance band rows. 3 sets of 10 reps. Plank hold, 30 to 45 seconds. Lunges, forward or reverse. 3 sets of 8 reps per leg. Glute bridges, 3 sets of 12 reps. Tips: start with light weights or just body weight. Focus on proper form before increasing resistance. Rest 30 to 60 seconds between sets. Number 2. Low impact cardio, 3 to 4 days/week. Improves cardiovascular endurance, burns fat, and enhances overall fitness without putting too much stress on your joints. Best low impact cardio options: brisk walking, 30 to 40 minutes. Cycling, stationary or outdoor, 20 to 30 minutes. Swimming, 20 to 30 minutes. Rowing machine, 15 to 20 minutes. Tips: start with moderate intensity and gradually increase duration. If walking or cycling, try adding small inclines for extra challenge. Monitor heart rate to stay in a fat-burning zone, 60 to 70% of max heart rate. Number 3. Mobility and flexibility routine, daily or post-workout. Prevents stiffness, improves range of motion, and reduces the risk of injury. Stretching and mobility routine. Cat-cow stretch, 10 reps, spinal mobility. Downward dog, hold for 30 seconds, hamstrings and shoulders. Hip flexor stretch, hold for 20 seconds per side, hip mobility. Seated forward fold, hold for 20 to 30 seconds, lower back and hamstrings. Shoulder rolls, 10 reps forward and backward. Wrist and ankle circles, 10 reps per direction. Tips: breathe deeply while stretching. Never force a stretch, ease into it. Include mobility work before strength training for better movement patterns. Number 4. High-intensity interval training HIIT, 1 to 2 days/week. HIIT burns calories efficiently, boosts metabolism, and improves cardiovascular fitness in a short time. Beginner HIIT routine, each exercise for 30 seconds, 15-second rest, repeat 3 rounds. Jump squats, low-impact alternative, bodyweight squats. Mountain climbers, burpees or step-back burpees. Bicycle crunches, jump rope or high knees. Tips: modify exercises if needed to match your fitness level. Keep movements controlled to avoid injury. Start with 1 round and increase as you build endurance.